Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. My name is Disha and this is the channel of happiness in homemade. Well, today's recipe is going to very special and very quick to make, and it is very healthy. So today's menu is a pineapple smoothie bowl. For making that you're gonna need this ingredient: 1 cup of frozen pineapple. I already put it for overnight. You can also put for 4 to 6 hours. Then almond milk, honey and 1 banana. So let's start making. Smoothie bowl is ready. Let's serve it. Serve with the mango. I already cut it. Banana. Some dry coconut. Chia seeds. So the smoothie bowl is ready to eat, and it was very quick to make. So let's taste it. It's so delicious. Please must try this recipe at your home. It is very healthy, and for watching more videos, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment and like. Thank you.